This scanner stands out for offering full system diagnostics with professional-level depth, while still being approachable for serious do-it-yourself users and working technicians. The combination of bidirectional controls and electronic control unit coding makes it excellent for pinpointing faults and confirming repairs without tearing into components unnecessarily. Support for newer communication standards like CAN FD and DOIP means it can talk to late-model vehicles from brands such as General Motors, BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Volvo without extra adapters. The tablet-style design with a large 8-inch touchscreen, generous memory, and a long-lasting battery makes live data, graphing, and report sharing much easier in real workshop use. Extensive service functions, including common resets and guided procedures for popular European makes, help replace many tasks that would otherwise require dealer-level tools. Wireless vehicle communication, broad coverage across thousands of models, and lifetime software updates give this tool strong long-term value for anyone maintaining multiple vehicles.